Mga idol at kabayan, breaking news! China inubos ang mga corals sa Rosal Reef na matatagpuan sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas matapos mamataan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines Western Command ang nagkukumpulang mga barko ng China sa lugar. At nang umalis ang mga ito, Philippine Navy nagsagawa ng survey sa ilalim ng karagatan at nakitang wala ng corals na natira sa Rosal Reef.
And I'd like to take this opportunity. Meron kasing coral harvesting kaming na-notice. Yung swarming areas nila, we pinpointed it. And then when they left, we sent out our divers. We sent out our divers to do an underwater survey. And nakita namin na wala nang corals. Nasira na yung mga corals and there may mga debris.
Ito ang mga balitang ating pag-uusapan sa vlog episode na ito. I-like ang video. Mag-subscribe. Mabilis lang ito. Promise!
Sige. Nakasay ito. Lagon na. Hawakan mo muna. Hawak mo sa akin yung hawakan. Yan.
Sima!
Dito na lang yata yung Riverstone yan. Dito na lang yata natitirang magandang corals Dito mababaw na.
And I'd like to take this opportunity. Meron kasing coral harvesting kaming na-notice. Yung swarming areas nila, we pinpointed it. And then when they left, we sent out our divers. We sent out our divers to do an underwater survey. And nakita namin na wala nang corals. Nasira na yung mga corals and there may mga debris. So these are untrained eyes of the Navy divers. So we are coordinating with yung mga scientists, yung mga expert to do their own assessment of the area. So we already have the pinpointed areas na dati silang nagsaswarm. So we are not making any conclusions at this time. It's a work in progress, but we just want to report that we notice coral harvesting in the area where they were seen loitering and swarming. Sabi ko kanina, in early July, we sent out our ships there. Napaalis natin na Itaboy. Immediately after they left, we sent out our divers. So it's sometime in July. Wala na natira eh. In the area, wala na natira doon. So hindi namin alam. So we were coordinating with the experts to dive. And dati na ba yun? O bago lang? From our untrained eye, nung ating mga diver, mukhang bago. We cannot say with 100% na tama sila because hindi nga sila mga expert. But just a naked eye, untrained eye, mukhang bagong hakot yung mga corals. The presence is already alarming because we have the sovereign rights there in our exclusive economic zone. Now, ito namang suspetsya pa lang natin. We are not saying that they are harvesting our corals. We suspect that somebody is harvesting our corals, and that means that they are violating our sovereign rights. Tayo lang ang may karapatan sa resources sa West Philippine Sea. And it looks like somebody is exercising that right without our permission. So that's why it's alarming because as far as the Western Command is concerned, it is our duty to protect that sovereign rights para sa mga Pilipino. Sila dapat ang mag-enjoy ng resources na nandoon sa exclusive economic zone. Ang objective natin is to establish a rules-based international order in the West Philippine Sea. Laging complain natin that our neighbor is not complying with international law. So our engagement with whoever offers to help us, whoever shares our desire, our objective to establish a rules-based international order, we are studying it carefully. All the offers are on the table. Wala pa namang decision on whether we do a joint patrols, but we are very, very happy to note that they are supporting our position, they share our position, and they're willing to help us. Yun ang importante, they're willing to help us. Now, if we will accept their help or not, it's still on the table. Wala pa rin guidance. I have not received any directive to do a joint patrol with anybody. All our patrols in the West Philippine Sea now are unilateral. It's jointly conducted with the Philippine Coast Guard and the BIFAR, not with any foreign country.
Laban Pinas.